everyone, it's Teo Shante Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my April dashboard with you, and I'm using the April 2022 large deco sheet from the April 2022 monthly kit from Sadie Stickers, along with the floral deco stickers that went with the weekly kit. Um, and I love utilizing deco sheets and florals for my dashboard pages because this is a page that I use just to track my sticker orders for the month as well as the weekly kits that I'm using. And so having these florals, it just gives me all the inspiration I need to create something fun and unique for this page. So I'm starting off by drawing out my grid section, which is where I'll track my orders. I trimmed that with some like olive green or like sage green stickers from Paper Trail Plans, and that green paired so beautifully with the pinks from this cherry blossom themed stickers. And now I am just decorating. Once I've got my order tracker trimmed, I'm moving down to the bottom section where I track my weekly kits. And I want to start off by putting down the month. And so I used some of the deco from Sadie Stickers to decorate around the month section. And then they had this really cool scene with the mountain and the canoe and the tree. And I wanted to just create that little scene down at the bottom. And so I had a lot of fun trying to figure out the placement for all of this, and how this was going to fit in this bottom section. And I love it so much. I also had these cute little tire swings. I feel like the scale on that tire swing is a little bit big for this tree. It looks like a really giant tire swing, but it was just too cute for me to not include with this spread. I just love the look of it. So I put that down, and then I'm just trimming everything even here because I want to put down this grass washi strip from Sadie Stickers, and I didn't want any of the detail from the boat or from the roots of the tree hanging down below the grass because it would have just been peeking out from underneath the bottom of it. So now that I've got that down, I'm going to figure out my box placement, which is always a game of, I like to call it box Tetris, which I do every single month, and figuring out where I'm going to place these boxes because I just sort of move them around and figure out what kind of placement like just feels right for me. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. I just want to get the boxes placed down in a way that just looks aesthetically pleasing to me. So I'm using a mix of boxes from the Gathered Layers collab, which was Rachel of Gathered Plans and Panda Bird Design. They created this gorgeous collection, and the green from the Gather colorway totally paired perfectly with the green trim that I have around the order tracker. And then the foil boxes were foiled in gold foil, so they matched everything perfectly. And those boxes just totally pulled this look together. Because that tree, the roots of that tree wasn't quite hitting where the grass started, I tucked a floral in there so you couldn't see that gap between the grass and the tree. And then I'm just adding some of the cherry blossom florals to the boxes just to tie everything together and make it all look coordinated, which I love so, so much. I love cherry blossoms. I think they are beautiful. I love the color pink. So a pink flower is obviously going to be my favorite. So that was like an easy thing for me to fall in love with. Then I'm putting down this super cute little butterfly. Those are from Sadie Stickers as well. And then my script, which says this month's kits, is a custom script that I ordered from Paper Trail Plans. This is my first time getting a chance to use that script in one of my order trackers. And I love these new custom scripts that I just got, so I'm so excited to continue using those for the rest of the year. This thin foiled scallop strip is from Sadie Stickers, and I used that just to trim the order tracker. I wanted to have a little bit of foil in that section. And I'm moving up to the top, and this is where I'm going to put my order tracker sticker. And so as a base and a background to that script, I wanted to put down the florals with those lanterns. And I also used some of the alcohol ink swatches from Rose Colored Days in the sage colorway, which complemented the pinks so beautifully. I put that down, added some more of the branches, and then I had this swing on a branch from the Pretty Pink Co. And I love how that looks like it's hanging from a tree branch, and I just thought that was so cute. I have been loving that swing since I got it. And then I'm pulling in another one of those boxes from the Gathered Layers collab. And this is from the A Day in May colorway. And it was like the perfect shade of peachy pink, and it just paired beautifully. and I'm going to use that box as the background for my order tracker script and just layer that right on top of there. And now I have my order tracker done. I want to add some more florals around it because I can never have too many florals. So I'm just tucking some florals behind that box, adding in some dot clusters and a butterfly from Sadie Stickers. And that is going to finish off the order tracker script section. To finish off the page, I always like to add a little bit of florals to the lines on the grid for my order tracker, because until I start writing in there, that area is so blank, and I feel like having the florals ties the whole thing together and makes it look really cohesive. Once I have all of the florals down, I'll add a few foiled clusters, because a little bit of sparkle makes everything better. And that finishes up the spread. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having an amazing day. I'll see you next video. Bye.